So welcome back guys to my channel, and today we're gonna make this cube like artificial cube in HitFilm Express, just like this one. So we're here in HitFilm Express. The first thing we'll do is we need to have our 6 pictures, or you could actually use one depending on what designs you want to have in a cube. So let's say if you just want one side, for example a lucky block or something, we could do that, but today we're just going to do different faces. So let's create a new composite shot. Change the height and width to 500 by 500, and just drag this your clip that you want. Let's just scale this down. Okay, so let's rename this composite 1 to 1. Let's duplicate that. Okay, now this is 2. I like that one. Okay, so 6, and we have this one. Okay, so you could just move that there, and there you go. So now that we have those, we'll make a new composite shot. Match timeline, we could actually make it 1920 by 1080, and we'll name that compiled. And in here we'll just do is just drag this, make a new point, and then the next thing we'll do is just parent this to the new point. Turn this into a 3D plane, yes, and go here to the views. Let's change that to 4. Okay, so remember that we have 500 by 500, so it's a square, so it would be easier. So let's have the first one to move, for example, a position. Let's not use that one. Let's use the x-axis 250, or let's just, okay, we could use this 250. Use the z-axis. Okay, so for the second one we'll use the z-axis again, negative 250. So we're gonna use half of each. So for the third one, we're gonna have we could use this 90, the y-axis, so we could move the x-axis, so 250. The other one, for the fourth one, we're gonna use the y-axis 90 degrees and move that x-axis to negative 250. Okay, so for the fifth one, we're just gonna use the we're gonna use the x-axis. Let's put that to 90 degrees, and we're gonna position that, use the y-axis 250, and for the last one we're gonna have a z-axis 90, and position that y-axis to negative 250, and there you go. So the purpose, so let's just shrink those. So the purpose of parenting that is for us to have an easier control of the cube. So now that we have our cube, so this is the left, top, front, and active camera. So we could do this. Turn this new point into 3D plane. In transform, we could rotate that, and we'll have will have a cube. So we could make that make a keyframe. Let's rotate that into 5 times, and when we play, it would rotate. And it's actually very nice. You have a, for example, anime, cartoon, a favorite K-drama or something. You could use this as a very nice fun thing you could make. You could also rotate it in the x-axis and z-axis. So another cool thing is that since it has no background, we could actually put a background behind it. So for example, we could have that. So we could view 1, scale it down, and it could still be animated in 3D space, which is very nice. You could insert it in a video, photo, or anything you like. So if you have any more questions, comment down below. If you have any suggestion for a new video, you could also comment that down below. Please do like and subscribe to my channel. It would help me a bunch, and I would see you in the next video. Bye!